Hello, in this video I want to tell you what needs to be done with roses so that they bloom continuously and for it to continue throughout this season until the first frosts. There are just a few rules. As you can see, these are my roses. This is the most lush, the largest bush, although these bushes are only 3 years old. There are also these red roses, and here I also have these little roses. The first thing you absolutely need is for the bushes to grow vigorously, and then they will produce more flowers. Of course, this definitely includes watering at least once a week, as well as feeding. Fertilizing should be comprehensive, whether it's organic or mineral fertilizers, but it must include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And there should be more nitrogen because it is responsible for the growth of green mass and the increase of the bush. And most importantly, when the roses start to bloom, they need to be properly pruned and cared for, and given attention. What's the first thing we do? When you see that the roses are blooming, make sure that once a rose has finished blooming, there are no such flowers left on the rose. We remove them. Why is this necessary? As you can see, the flower has faded, and now, like any flower, seeds are beginning to mature here, which is essentially the offspring. These seeds take up a lot of nutrients. Firstly, it won't produce new shoots with flowers. Secondly, it won't discard new shoots, because the bush has set the number of flowers for reproduction and it won't produce any more new ones. And we cut these flowers. And right here from the upper buds, which are located in the internode, they will wake up very soon and new shoots will grow and there will be new roses on them. We are throwing this away, and you should do the same with all the roses. As you can see, they have already faded here as well. I cut and thereby provoke the growth of new shoots and thus the increase in the size of the bush, in order to... Also, when we grow roses, don't forget to simply cut them. When they are so beautiful and fragrant, we cut them, bring them to our girls, give them as gifts, and lift their spirits. And we also enjoy this beauty ourselves. By cutting the rose, we also provoke growth ourselves and new shoots. Therefore, we grow roses not only to make your yard or garden beautiful, but also to ensure that these bouquets lift the spirits of you, your relatives, and loved ones. If you enjoyed the information in this video, give it a like. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Don't miss new videos. See you in the next video.